Storm Tracker 13 with the new Viper real-time radar.
Howdy, I'm meteorologist Rickenberg filling in for Spencer on this very hot, hazy summer afternoon. The main weather story that we have is that it is going to continue to be hot, but give you a preview of our 4th of July holiday weekend outlook where it's still going to be hot, not as hot. We're not looking at near triple digits. We're looking at things capping out in those mid-90s. But sadly, in time for the holiday weekend, we are going to have to keep an eye to the sky to see where those rain chances and those storms do form. Hopefully we can get done with the rain early enough in the day on Saturday so we have dry conditions just in time for our fireworks later that night. Looking at the current advisories in effect, we are still going to just hammer home the fact that it's just very, very dangerously hot outside. Any of us in pink at this time, we're under the extreme heat warning, and a couple of us in orange, that's the heat advisory. The main difference between those two is just how hot it feels like outside to us. That's our heat index values. So those of us in pink, it's feeling closer to 110 degrees outside at times. Those of us in orange feels closer to maybe 100, 105. Very dangerously hot no matter what. Make sure you're limiting your time outdoors, staying hydrated with plenty of water, wearing the sunscreen, taking breaks inside, checking in on yourself and those sensitive groups as well. Both of these are going to go until 10 p.m. on Friday, and then we'll keep an eye out to see if they are possibly extended into the holiday weekend, since it's still going to be pretty hot and it's still going to be pretty humid outside right then. Taking a look at our current temperatures, we can see it is just toasty across the board. Most of us coming in those low to mid 90s, just a very, very hot day across the board. Taking a look at our feels like temperatures, so this is our heat index. Couple of us, most of us are already in those triple digits for how it feels like to us outside. So it's just very, very burdensome hot outside, and that's what's going to continue through the end of the week as that heat dome remains in effect. Tomorrow, looking ahead, these are our forecast high temperatures. It's going to be even hotter tomorrow than it was today. Tomorrow's probably shaping up to be one of the hottest days of the week. Most of us are looking at near triple digit heat. We're going to come very close to flirting with that 100-degree mark outside. And then looking at tomorrow's heat index values, it is not much better than today. We're looking at heat index values at least 105, some places coming closer to 110. Tomorrow may be a good day to just stay inside and avoid the afternoon heat if at all possible. The reason why is because we are under the influence of this heat dome. Taking a look at our upper level pattern, this big area of high pressure has pretty much parked itself in place. That's what's making things so hot, not just for us, but a good portion of the eastern half of the country as well. Going ahead though, looking ahead to Friday, that's going to slightly weaken. So we're still going to be hot, just not as hot. But we're going to begin to see a warm front approach. That's what's going to allow for maybe a couple scattered storms to form late Friday. But then we're going to look at a stalled cold front happening later this weekend. And what that's going to do is allow those weekend rain chances to return and possibly continue into early next week as well. So how does this all play out on Predictor? Well, high pressure in control, maybe a cloud or two tomorrow, not much going on for Thursday. Going ahead into Friday, though, when we start to see things become a little bit more unsettled, maybe a couple pop-up pulse thunderstorms during the peak heating of the afternoon. Some of those could produce some torrential rainfall and even some damaging wind gusts as well. Those clearing out, but then on Saturday afternoon, models suggesting once again, couple spotty showers and storms during the afternoon, but hopefully those will clear on out just in time for fireworks Saturday evening. And then we're looking at things remaining unsettled, possibly some more showers possible during the day on Sunday. And that's going to continue into early next week as well, which is some light rain chances continuing every day. Looking ahead for Friday, though, the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma did issue a level 1 marginal risk of severe weather just because we're looking at some isolated storms, but they could produce those damaging winds and possibly some heavy downpours as well. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast where it's going to be hot and rainy as we begin July.